Now I am going to do unboxing of this newly received drone from No Drone. This has come from Electrobotic Manufacturing Private Limited, Bhiwande, Thane, Maharashtra. You can see the details where I got it from. Now I am going to unbox this, see what is available in this box. This is actually a drone which was advertised in Facebook and is coming, and I see this advertisement every day almost, and I was curious to know how this works, so I have started. I purchased this and the cost of this is around 30,000 rupees. So I am going to review this. This totally made in India drone, they say. They say it's totally a made in India drone, and it has got 3 batteries. 3 batteries, and it's got a mechanical gimbal, they say. And then each battery is around 20 minutes of flying. See, now you can see this is the drone box. This is how it is. So mentioned here price is 34,999, and this is the other side of the drone pictures. And then NOT, this make is RO made to win the sky. NOT means nothing over this. That's what they claim. See, they have put made in India logo also. See how far this is useful to us. I will unbox one by one. So this is the one. Once you unbox this is what is happening. And this is the box. They have kept a beautiful case. Very good finish. And they have put a tag so that somebody opens, is understood it is opened. See, it's like this. This is a good idea so that nobody reboxes it. So I am going to cut open the seal. Cutting open. Now this is what is something is written on this. See. Important notes. Please read before opening. Unboxing instructions. Claim warranty. Kindly unbox it only during the installation. Call from NOT team. What is this? Record a video before breaking up seal and unboxing the product. This video is required for any claims regarding missing or damaged items. This is a good idea. Do not accept the package if the seal is already broken. Seal is broken up upon delivery. Please refuse the package and contact us immediately. This is a good show. This is actually a very systematic way of selling and then taking care of the product and ensuring that whatever product they are selling is reaching the customer. This is a wonderful idea. Now I will unbox. Let us see what is there inside. Here you have a drone here, 3 batteries, controller, manual, and you have screws, propeller, spare propellers, you have screwdriver, adapter, charger. How many batteries? Let us see the drone first. It's beautifully packed. Very well packed. Beautiful. Silver color. See, this is a drone. I think one battery is already fitted in this. Yes. And then you have two batteries, one here, other one is here. Totally 3 batteries. This is the box, and then it's beautifully packed, and this is the controller, and it's written here NOT means nothing over this. I am really happy to hear this word. They have coined a very good name. Now let us explore different features of this controller. See, this antenna is very good. Normally there will be an antenna for sake of antenna. This is a beautiful antenna. The plastic and very hard and strong. And then here we have the flip where you can mount your mobile clamp. It's beautiful clamp. Very smooth. It's very smooth. Beautiful. So now this, and this is your main switch. This is the main switch. So it is. And here see, this can open up to here. Not just 90 degrees. He has got given 2 positions, one for just keeping in the ground, and then you can handle like this. Other one is while flying you can catch in hand different positions. It's beautiful. See, the quality of plastic is very good. A 300 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts. Charging voltage, charge your remote only with USB. This is a built-in charger, chargeable battery. This is beautiful, wonderful. And now you can see what is given inside this area. Here you have USB cable. All right. This is a USB cable. There are no spare plates. That's what I observe. And no spare plates. There are plates. Yeah, there are spare plates also. 2, 4, 6, 8 plates. 8 plates are given spare. And then here you have a manual, instruction manual in Hindi and English, 2 languages. Beautifully done. Wonderful. It's given the layout, remote overview, TF card slot. It has got a TF card slot where we can put a TF card for recording the flight. So you capture 4K images without distortion. The one which you get on mobile is not 4K, it's a HD image. So with the TF card, we will be able to capture 4K images, 4K, 8K, without any compression. We can record on this TF card. And we got camera, okay. So Let us explore all this and try to take a trial flight. So TF card is available, so it will be very useful. Now we will see the drone. Let's put a seal. So if somebody opens, they will come to know this is opened. And now we will see the arms. Oh, arms is very good. It is very strong, made out of good plastic. Quite a big size. It's a very big aircraft, not a very small one. Beautifully done and made in India. Contacts are here so that there is nothing to struggle if there is any repair. No need to go and put inside. So all the contacts of the battery is here. So it gets locked. Very nice. Beautifully done. And blades are very small and tiny, and knot is written here. From here it looks like this. See, these are all the total accuracies which are lined up, which were taken out from the packing. I want to clarify some two things in this. Number one, this battery, it has got a self-locking system here, and then there's got a switch here which you can switch on and off here itself. And the beauty of the design of this drone is, normally the drones will have a contact point in the edge of this battery, but in this one he has provided in the outside, so easily accessible. In case of any problem with the pins, can replace. Number two, it will have a better gripping because the pins are mounted on this body, so it will go and fix in this. See, this is the male portion of the contact. This is the female portion of the contact. Secondly, this TF slot is given here. What is the advantage of TF slot? TF slot is given for putting a SD card into the slot, which can record the whole flight, movie, videos, pictures, everything it can store without mobile. Secondly, TF card slots are advantageous because it can record in actual formats, that is uncompressed formats, whether it is 4K, HD, 8K or anything, like SLR camera where you put a SD card. So the advantage is we can easily get very good clarity pictures once you put a slot SD card inside this. So without mobile also we can record the flight happening. So this is a very good advantage and very good design feature of this. In this cover he has given a charging wire and then screws and screwdriver, and we have spare batteries, and this is the cover which I removed from the controller, and then you have spare batteries here, 2 spare batteries. So overall, I find the design aspect is very much in good condition. Means the design of this drone is very good. Quality of plastic used is very good, and also the arms are strong. They are not slender but very strong, and they cannot just break even if there is a crash. So that way the design, and I am very happy it's made in India with all the improvements, and the gimbal cover is provided. Overall, I am very satisfied with this drone design and manufacture. See, this is a USB charging port for the controller. One thing I observed about this charging, see, is used normal USB charger, mini USB charger, which you use for your phone. Whereas in the other type of, other drones, normally they use micro USB. See, this is a micro USB. See the size of this charger. This is a micro USB. It's a regular one. The one which is used here is normal USB, which is very good for charging. It's a good idea. Even the spare screws also, propeller screws, in case you require, screws are missing. Spare propeller screws. So many screws spare is here. Now let us try to open the gimbal. Very easy to open the gimbal, see? Simple, just lift it up, comes out, and there is a support here for the gimbal, because it has got both horizontal and vertical movement. So this camera is 2K. It has got both horizontal and vertical axis. Beautiful gimbal, and easy to even lock it. Put this in the bottom. Just place the cap. Very easy to lock, and it's secured, easily secured. Gimbal will not get broken or get tampered. It's very easily secured. This is about unboxing. So let us fly this and then find out the features whichever is claimed in the manual, and then I'll come back to you with that video shortly. Thank you. Bye.